I just want to say I'm sorry.
Hold up, I got a confession.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naya. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along my ear stretching journey. I am going to be starting off at a 14G and work my way up to a 4G. I went to my local Spencer's and picked up a stretching kit. If the camera will focus. And yeah, so I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube seeing how to do this, so I'm not a professional by any means. This kit was, I believe, $24.99. It kind of like says that in the top corner right there. A lot of people were recommending that you start off with either like a 16 or a 14 and then every month or every 2 months move up. So I just decided to take you guys along that journey, and yeah, let's just get started. First things first that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my antibacterial soap to clean the piercings with. I'm just going to put them in this bowl to wash them. You're going to need some jojoba oil. And also I'm going to get a hot towel so I can just lay it on my ears for a quick second and massage them to get them nice and loose. Okay, one thing that I noticed before we get started, this one right here is the 14. And then these are the 12. I really feel like I might be able to get away with starting out with the 12. A quick backstory, I've had my ears pierced since I was a baby. And throughout my lifetime, I've worn like heavy hoops and stuff. So I feel like my ear, like my actual piercing, might be close to a 12. Or maybe even a 14 gauge. But I'm going to definitely start off with the 14. And if this is too small, I'm just going to switch to this one. So I've already went ahead and massaged my ears with a hot towel. And now I'm about to just take some jojoba oil and just lubricate the taper. A lot of people recommend using jojoba oil because you don't want to ever go in dry. So I'm just going to rub this along the taper. I'm going to take off one of these little black pieces. Okay, a lot of people say you want to go in really slow. So here is my first attempt. Okay, that went in fairly easy, and this is the 14 gauge, so I might have to switch to a 12 because like I said, throughout my lifetime I have worn a lot of heavy earrings. So I'm going to try the 12 in this ear. Okay, so that also went in fairly easy. Now I will say it does kind of have like a little pinch to it. So I'm definitely going to try with the 12s. I know a lot of people said that it takes a couple of minutes for the stinging to stop, but it's not like anything unbearable. I know some people say if it starts to sting too bad, it's possible that you can have a blowout or something like that. So I'm definitely going to stop at the 12. I'm going to just take out this 14 in my left ear and just put in the 12. See, that came right out. Like, this one is way too small. I really hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I will say this one is kind of hurting, I guess because I had already stuck the 14 in there. But I'm just gonna take my time. Ooh, okay, this kind of hurts. Ooh, it's almost in there though. This one is just chilling. This one went in with the breeze. This one really hurts. Okay, so they're both in. This one, the pain wasn't unbearable. It definitely hurt compared to this one. This one just went straight in. Like I said, it could be because I did put the 12 in first and took that right out and put this in. But it wasn't that bad. It was just I was really trying to take my time. So now I'm just gonna put the backs on them. I know a lot of people say give it to like 10 to 30 minutes for it to like kind of just calm down. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it is kind of red. But they also said like if it starts to bleed, take it out because it's not supposed to happen. Once again, I am no professional. I got on YouTube and saw a bunch of DIY videos. Okay, so that was pretty quick and simple. And this is the 12G, and I'm hoping to get down, I'm gonna take it out the pack. Hoping to get down to a 4G. Ooh, I'll just take it out. This is what I'm hoping to get down to. I'm going to wait a month before I go to a 10G. It is 10, right? 12, 14, 12, 10. Yeah, 10G, I'm gonna wait a month just so that my ears can heal. That is pretty much it for this video. I really hope that I can help somebody out. Like I said, I am no professional, so there's definitely plenty of videos on YouTube showing you how to do this. Like I said, I just want to take you guys along with me on this journey. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all next time.